Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Pisces, this is going to be your first in-depth love reading for 2021. Of course, I hope you got your love bite on Fridays. No, Saturday. Yeah, Friday, I think. Saturday. Anyway, whatever it was, that was your first reading. And now we go on to your love reading where we're going to tap into your energy, your person's energy, and see where you guys are at, how you're aligning. And these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you out there. So just take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So before we begin, we are going to take our angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or message for my Pisces gang. This one. All right. Let's put this card here, Pisces. Let's keep the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Pisces, is pause. Maybe a bit of a pause is going on in your love life. Let's figure out why and what's happening here. So let's put this card here and get on with our reading. And welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting me all through last year and being on the ride to a brand new year once again with me. I'm very grateful for all your likes, your comments, your donations. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in, Pisces. So newbies, I'll be setting down two sets of cards for this reading. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, we have our mutual energies. Now, for the duration of the reading, I will be referring to this as side A and side person A and person B. You decide which side you are on. And here we have our mutual energies. Bottom of the deck, I do see the Nine of Wands. A little bit of defensive energy going on here, Pisces. I don't know what this is about. Let's open our cards and check it out. The Devil in reverse, Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Five of Cups, the World, and the Seven of Cups. Okay, little bit of confusion going on here. Person B has the Moon card, Four of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Hanged Man, Six of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. All right. Before I start interpreting these cards, Pisces, I am going to take a few dialogue message cards, and depending on how the reading is, in case I feel like it, I may just do a new love reading as well. I'm giving it to a few signs who I really feel need one. Okay, so let's see. Pisces and their person, Spirit. Where are they at energetically? What would they like to say to each other now? Pisces and their person. Not talking to each other, it seems. Having a lot of difficulty in saying what you want to say. Okay, one more. Let's take one more here. Okay. So let's take a few more from this deck here, Pisces. Okay. So the first card here says, I'm planning a surprise visit. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? Okay, that's nice if somebody wants to come forward. I've never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died and I died along with them. So maybe there was a fight or a separation, and now one partner's waking up to their feelings and saying, hey, I can't take the silence between us. Now I've realized how much I really love you and I want to come towards you. Okay. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, and the warmth of your body. I want and need you now. Next message. You fuck someone else and your soul comes to make love to me. I know you're with someone else and this just makes me feel heartbroken. You should be making love to me. So this is all telepathically feeling. Maybe you guys are in separation, you've had a fight, but one person feels that they've left them because they, with someone else, but the other person is actually missing them. They've realized their partner's worth and wants to come back. Next card. I get so jealous knowing that you are in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you with them. Again, this is imagining the worst, I guess. Deep in my heart, I know that you're the one for me. I promise my soul will be with you and your side for eternity. All right. I was doing a private reading for Pisces today, and who's been going through quite a struggle. And the cards which came out today kind of surprised me as well, because this is exactly the kind of energy I got, where somebody is now realizing their partner's worth, and even though maybe not acting like they want them back, but heart is broken and they desperately want to return here. And that's what I'm seeing here as well with the Eight of Cups in reverse. So let's start with person A's energy and see what's going on. The devil in reverse, Spirit. Why does person A have the devil in reverse? Somebody here wants to get over the fight, I think. They are now tired and they are exhausted and they don't want to fight anymore. They want to drop all this toxicity that has happened between the two of you and want to heal the situation. They realize they maybe have not been putting in any work towards their partner. Yes, maybe they've been holding back because they were afraid or scared, but now it seems because of their toxic behavior, the love is lost. They've lost their Queen of Pentacles, because the Queen of Pentacles is showing up as reverse. So now this person is stuck, because till now I think this person was holding back, not putting in any work, and this relationship is now stuck as well, because now they feel that my partner has now run away, or no longer, not run away, but yeah, now my partner's upset with me and no longer giving that attention to me. So Queen of Pentacles, Spirit, Queen of Pentacles. They want to return back to their person, big time. I just showed you this card, it's come out again. Somebody wants to return back. They don't want to live in this regret for the rest of their life, that because they didn't put in any work, maybe their behavior was toxic. Not toxic, not in a bad way. Maybe they were just afraid to put in work or make a decision. But yes, now they are becoming very clear as to what their decision should be. And it's only happened because they've lost their partner now. Maybe you guys are not talking to each other. And now they've realized, hey, I want to go back. And I don't like the stagnation which has come into our relationship. This person has a fear of change. Either way, first they were fearing maybe proposing because they didn't want to change their lifestyle. Now because they've lost their partner, now they're fearing losing their partner, because that's going to be their next big change, right? So they don't like the stagnation which has happened. And yes, they don't want to live in regret for the rest of their life, to know that they had a good thing going and now they are left out in the cold and abandoned, right? So they don't want to make this a missed opportunity. They definitely don't want to shut this chapter out with their partner. In fact, what they want to do is go back and heal things now between the two of you. So the world in reverse, Spirit, world in reverse, world in reverse. They don't want to shut this chapter off, Pisces. I don't know whether side A is you or side B is you, but side A, the person on this side wants to have communication. They don't want to shut this chapter off, but there is a bit of confusion here as to maybe what to say or how to start this again. So what's this confusion, Spirit? Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. What's the Seven of Cups for person A? One more. Person A has suddenly discovered that They have a lot of love for person B. They have recognized the connection now. They know it's the Two of Cups. They know there's a lot of love here. They are a bit confused as to what to say, what message to say, what to say, how to kind of drop this fight now. They don't know, maybe this fight has been really bad and certain things have been said or done that, the Queen of Pentacles, their partner is in reverse now. So they're kind of not knowing how to restart this or what to say now. One more, Spirit. Why are they confused? They so desperately want this Wheel of Fortune now to move once again, flow once again between the two of you, Pisces. They want to offer you a brand new beginning. I know it's shocking. Today, like I said, I did a personal reading for someone and these came out and we both went, no, this can't be it. This has to be a catch somewhere. But yes, it's come out again for the collective. So somebody here is just a little confused at the moment as to how to get the ball rolling again. They do want to return. They want their partner to return, and they are finding it difficult to put their walls down or drop the fight or say something. Let's see person B. Person B has the Moon in reverse. So now that whatever happened between the two of you, person B, when they got to know when everything came out in the open, maybe things were said, things were done, which were not the best vibration here. When now person B has clarity, right? They say, okay, you don't want me, that's all right. You know what I'll do? I'll release you as well. So person B is ready to release person A after things have been clear. And they want to move on with their own life now. They want to take the next step into their new life. But there is a kind of waiting here as well, from what I see. They're still stuck. They're still kind of in healing mode or in between worlds. They haven't completely let go of person A. They're not ready to move on, kind of a stuck energy here because they don't want to do anything foolish here. They don't want to go a wrong direction. They're wondering, should I wait a little while? Should I move on? They really don't know what to do. So let's see, the Moon Spirit. What's this? What came out in the open with the Moon energy? What came out in the open with the Moon energy? What came out in the open with the Moon energy here, Spirit? Maybe they got to know that their partner was wanting to still kind of go out there and be with other people. They were open to flirting or meeting new people. Something came out in the open. Maybe their partner said, let's be friends only, or let's be friends with benefits, or maybe I have other friends apart from you. Something like that came out in the open, and this didn't seem like a very balanced situation for person B, and they've decided, hey, this is not what I want. I think I'd rather just release this connection now. I'm not going to be an option. Yes, somebody didn't decide on one person. And that's what came out in the open. Or maybe they said they were not ready for a decision or a commitment or something like that. So when this person B became aware of the fact that their partner just wanted to be friends and not make a decision regarding them, I think person B decided that I don't want this. This is not the kind of life I want to lead. I want a balanced, equal give and take kind of a life. This is not what I was looking for. I think it's time that I release this person who is being unauthentic with me. They're not giving me clarity. Whenever they communicate to me, they are rude and mean sometimes, and they are harsh, and they like to get away with anything, whatever they say to me. And the person B didn't feel good. So because their partner was not making a decision, in fact, not just not making a decision, maybe they were very kind of harsh in their communication regarding it. So I think person B is ready to let them go. So what's this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? What's this Wheel of Fortune? What's this Wheel of Fortune? Yes, person B is now very angry with person B, very, very upset with person B, and they are leaving things to destiny, I think, to say, hey, listen, I don't want to do anything now which is going to put me back into that space where I feel trouble. I don't want to be in chaos anymore. So I'm going to leave this past. I'm going to leave it to destiny. Yes, person B is very angry and very, very upset because they realize that person A is only trying to control them or control the relationship. This is where it will go. This is where it won't go. I'm not ready yet. And maybe 5 years later, I'll commit to you. I mean, they're trying to be like a dictator in a relationship, right? And that's not serving person B very well. So, because they feel that puts me into a stuck position. I don't know how to kind of move ahead in my own life here. So, Hanged Man spirit, Hanged Man, Hanged Man. Hanged Man. Yes, person B is still kind of healing right now. They haven't, they are wanting to drop person A. They haven't moved on yet. They are still trying to understand what this fight was all about, all the harsh words spoken. What did they really mean? So this person is kind of shaken, to be honest, and they're also looking back at the past with a lot of regret, a lot of sorrow. So whatever person A has done to person B has actually broken their heart. And yes, that's why we saw person A is now understanding what they've done and they want to come and heal this broken heart. But person B is very afraid right now. They don't want to do anything now. Maybe they're not even ready to work with person A anymore because they feel that will be going backwards, right? They are calling judgment on person A, I think. They want to start their life fresh, new, without looking back. One second. One more spirit for the Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords in reverse. Six of Swords in reverse. And the Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. The person B is very confused right now. I'm sorry. Yes, they are looking for the truth. They're looking for clarity. But right now, I think the person B is in between. There's a pause going on. Sometimes they think about returning back and what it would be like if they had a rebirth of this connection, but then they get afraid that this would be going backwards or in the wrong direction. Then on the other hand, they think, hey, I don't think it's a good idea to kind of work on this connection anymore. It's better that I release this toxicity from my life. I don't want to stay, I don't want to make any foolish mistakes here. So if the tower is falling, so be it, let it fall. Person B is still looking for clarity and the truth. So person A, you better hurry up because yes, this pause is not going to stay for long. Person B is almost on their way out. Okay, so let's see what's happening in your mutual energy. Three of Swords in reverse, the Lovers upright, and the Nine of Pentacles. So what's this Three of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Three of Swords in reverse. Three of Swords in reverse. One more. Wow, okay. One more. Somebody is, I think this is person B, A here. Somebody is really, they've taken some time out. They've been thinking, they've been contemplating, they've seen what has gone wrong in this relationship. What was their part? What did they do to person B? I think this person is now seriously contemplating of taking a leap of faith into commitment here. Shocking, isn't it? Because there's a deep attraction between the two of you. The Lovers is here. The Lover spirit, the Lovers. Yes, but somebody knows they have to make a choice and they're ready to make this choice now here, Pisces. Somebody really does want to make this choice now. What's this choice all about, Spirit? What choice do they want to make? One more. One more. The choice they want to make, I think one person is saying that, hey, I don't want to invest in this anymore. According to person B, they are kind of feeling very betrayed and feeling tired and exhausted and saying, if this is the end of the road, so be it. But there is one person who is now wanting to come forward to kind of offer a commitment, or at least is wanting to. Right now I see you both single, not with each other. It's not, one person was kind of feeling maybe their partners with somebody else. No, absolutely not. I think you both are individually kind of, what's this Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, for the mutual energy? Nine of Pentacles in the mutual energy. This person is trying to sneak back, Pisces. They're trying to find some way to sneak back and get victory with the feminine here once again. They want to come back into their power. They want their control back. They feel there's no sunshine when you're gone. They have a lack of passion, and they see you as the perfect person. You're single, you're abundant, you're beautiful, you have everything going for you. And this person, yes, maybe ran off in the past, but I think this person is ready to kind of come back and fight for you once again. Just make sure, Pisces, you make the correct decision here, and they don't come back in their selfish energy of taking, because I think that's what happened last time. One person kept taking, the other one kept giving. Make sure that nothing is left unsaid here. Okay, make sure that you speak out, and if this person ever comes back, I'm not sure, because right now they are sitting in their confusion. They are sitting, not understanding how to make this work, and I do see person B almost on their way out. So this is a pause. This is not the end from what I see. Let's give it another week or so, and let's see if this person does come forward, Pisces. Otherwise, after that, then we'll take new love. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Take care. And yes, person B, keep your sword up. Okay, ask the right questions. Make sure you get the truth if this person ever returns. Okay, so love and light. Take care. Namaste.